When requesting changes to your video content with Tyler Wursta Video, we use Vimeo to showcase both single video projects and multiple video projects for review. Here's how to request changes to your content. First, click the link provided to you and enter a password if necessary to view a collection of videos. Use an Excel sheet or write directly into a Word document or an email what you would like to see from us at the time indicated on screen. This timecode reference will not be included in the final video product. A single round of changes is equal to an email, text, phone call, or other communication to us with alterations to the project. Please make sure all changes you and your team want are combined into a single contact. We will continue this process until either you are satisfied with the piece or the maximum amount of changes provided have been met. We aim to make this process as simple as possible, so when we can better accommodate your processes into ours, please let us know so we can continue to build your brand through video content at the award-winning Tyler Wursta Video.